Alright, so welcome YouTubes. So I went out today, had a few minutes spare, wanted to catch up on some practice. So today I wanted to do some circular motions. I do want to get into doing this manually, so we went out today. We'll start playing this back. Just out in some fields here, and wanted to get familiar with circular motions. So I'm gonna fly up, and we're gonna go over to this little dark patch over here and just try and do some anti-clockwise and clockwise motion. So one thing that I've realized, to keep it simple, with my settings at least, it depends on your controller, but if I want to go counterclockwise, then I'm having both joysticks go out. So the right stick will go to the right and the left stick will go to the left. If I want to go clockwise, I will have both sticks going in. So here you'll see I'm starting to do the right joystick, and it is going out quite fast, and then the left stick, is going quite slowly, so that's controlling how tight the circle is. So the right joystick is controlling more the speed that I'm going, and the left joystick, which is the yaw, is controlling how tight I am going. So here you'll see down below that I'm only moving the yaw ever so slightly, and that's enough to do this quite a large circumference. So this is working out quite well. You can see here the path that I take. Pretty happy with this. It's a pretty decent circle. So this, I had my ND16 filter on, and I know I was right at about 1/40th of a second, which is even a bit too slow, but I actually forgot to take it off. But when I got up there, I saw that the shutter speed wasn't too bad. So this is 1/40th of a second, and it's looking pretty smooth. So all manual, the right stick all the way to the right, and the yaw going outwards to the left, which is controlling how tight I'm taking the circle. So that's it, pretty straightforward. You'll see that is a decent circle right there, not bad at all. So I find if you want to get tighter, you'll just move the yaw further out, and if you want to keep it quite wide, then you'll move the yaw in smaller amounts. So here I am getting into position. I want to get a little bit closer for this one, so I'm going over the spot more, and this time the sticks are going inwards, so the left stick is going to the left, and then my yaw this time is going inwards, so to the middle again. So for the standard, the default settings on the Mavic drone, it's the two joysticks out is going to be counterclockwise, and the two joysticks going in is going to give you a clockwise motion. So pretty cool, pretty straightforward, and fairly happy with the results here. So again, it's this stick which is moving the drone left to the right. That pretty much controls the speed, and then the yaw controls how tight you are going. So again, here you'll see I'm going a tighter circle. My yaw is a bit higher than it was previously. You could barely see this motion here on the first loop, and this one you're seeing it more prominently because I'm going tighter. A little bit off there, but that's not too bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.